Hi there guys, and welcome back to another video. I did actually start doing this the other day, but found out I didn't have any screws, so I had to go get them, and the weather changed, so I gave up. So today I actually started doing it. Didn't know if I should use the old intro or this. I just thought start the whole video again. So today, hopefully, the postman's going to be bringing me the hub so I can change that grotty steering wheel. Hopefully. I mean, it's already like late already. It's not late, it's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so probably won't be getting that today again. But I'm going to be building a cabinet just there, pretty much where this is. As you've seen in the last video, I put in my split charge relay. It's probably been about a week, I think, since I've actually did that, and works perfectly. I have found if I run the fridge continuously, obviously it's a cool box, not a fridge, it does drain the battery after about a day, but once you start driving, tops the battery back up, it's fine. So I will be getting a solar panel to just help top the system back up when it's not being driven. But I mean, it's absolutely working perfect. Me and my son were charging our phones earlier when we went to go get some screws and bolts and whatnot that we needed, and absolutely works perfectly, so I'm very pleased with that. And then today's job is I am going to be encasing the back of this. My battery is obviously under there, and I want to encase this whole area, so I have already started making a start on this. This is the top. This is going to be sitting probably about here, and I just need to build the rest of it. I want to have somewhere so I can just got a little bit of extra storage, and I don't know if this is going to be kept or I'm going to replace it, but I want to be able to put that up underneath, and then I'm going to build another one a lot taller that goes behind the driver's seat. So I just thought over here it's just a bit of wasted space, because if you walk in and out, obviously you don't use any of this area. As long as I've got enough room to walk in and out between, or to the front and back between the seats, that's good enough for me. And then on the side of it is where that control panel is going to go, sort of on the side just here. So that's the plan. Like I said, I've already built the top, and now I need to build the legs and the supports. Like I said, it's going to be set about there. So let me set you guys up. So probably about that sort of height ish. So we measure roughly what that is. We'll just go off of that measurement. So the legs are going to need to be 22.5 inches. I'm happy with that. So I'm going to go cut some legs for this. I'm not going to be showing you too much in depth. Like I said, I'm not a carpenter, I just make stuff fit. So I'm going to go cut some feet for this, and I'll get back to you once I'm done. Well, it's been a few hours later. I have got 2 into what I was doing and I forgot to film, but this is where I've got to. Ignore this bit down here. I forgot to put into consideration that this leg needs to be just a little bit longer, so that's what's going to go on there. I need to make that a bit nicer, but as you can see, that fits like that. I'm going to put cladding all the way around the outside of all of it, maybe put like a door, or I don't know about the front yet, but all the way around I'm going to put cladding, a little bit across the bottom, mainly at the back. I'm going to leave that open. That's where the wires can go in to go up to my switch panel, which is going to go over there facing out. So it's not the straightest, but it's going to look all right there, and there's still plenty of room to get in and out. I mean, there's me standing sideways, and it is plenty of room. I mean, the door can technically open up more. There's plenty of room to get in and out. Let's get bikes in and out of here and everything. So very happy with this. I think what I'm going to do now is I want to cut that leg to get a little extension bit to go there. I mean, that almost fits like that, so you can kind of see that's going to sit. It's just a little bit wonky there. So I need to get another piece a little bit shorter than that, and I'm going to get some L brackets on the feet. They're just going to basically keep it from going anywhere. Then going to go around and put all the cladding on it. It's coming together quite nicely actually, and hasn't really taken that long. I have got on the back door that it's a bottle opener the kids gave me for Father's Day. On the back door, it's no use because if you're out camping or anything, you got to go all the way around the back to open. So that is going to live on the side here, and the switch panel, little worktop area. So that's going to be quite a decent sized workspace. So there's only a little worktop, put a few bits and bobs on there. Maybe put a little USB charger in a corner poking out just so you've got somewhere. Yeah, I'm happy with that. So I'm going to go get that leg done and start looking at doing the cladding. And there is still absolutely no sign of that hub adapter, so that steering wheel is not getting done again today. Not gonna lie, I am doing terrible at filming today, but I have actually, what am I doing? It's not here yet, but I have actually mounted quite a lot of this, and here it is. I've managed to slat one side, need a tiny little slither to go up there, finish this side off, and as you can see I have my switch panel in and mounted. It's obviously not wired up, but it is there. And I did do the little extension on the end for the leg. That's going to go probably about there. And like I said, the little extensions on the leg, so that's all nicely in. The switch panel's in on the side, so I can access it nicely. So I do need to put that little slither on there. I'm going to leave the front open for now. I just want to slat off the back and that side and then put a top on it, but that's how it's going to look. Actually quite pleased with how this is going. It's just using up a bunch of wood I had left over in the shed. Sorry I'm not filming this any better than I am. I'm just sort of getting myself in the groove and going for it. And I'm back. Here it is. I managed to get myself a little slither just to go in there. It's just a bit of like random off cut of wood that I just used, and I have done the other side. That's the side where the bottle opener is going to go, and then the other pit I cut. That's the slither went on that side, and the other one went on the other side. I mean, I probably could have made this so that I could have put a hole strip in there, but now all I need to do is get some for the back. I have a bit. I don't really care what it looks like. That one looks like a winner. There's probably 2 on that one. Like I said, I'm not asked what it looks like on the back because no one's going to see that. Figure out how I can get it all to work on there. Cut it, screw it, done it. Right, as you've seen from that, I cut all the wood and whatnot, and we have done the back. This is now a lot heavier than I thought. We went across, I mean it's not perfect, you're not going to see this. Cut it flush with the bottom so I can still get the wires in and out and what have you. All the sides are now done, obviously minus the front, so I need to figure out what to do. We need to figure out what we want to do with the top. I mean ideally, I wanted to have a few pieces, nice big thick bits like this, and I wanted to put that on the top and have that as my topping, but don't have any more of this. Then thought about this, it's like a old shelf or something, but that's not big enough, and I think it will look weird if we put that with that on there just to cover the gap. I think it just look a bit strange. So yeah, and then once we've done that, I'll give it a good sand in so it's not so rough. But yeah, that's pretty much all we've been doing. I need to run a little bit more electrics for the split charge relay because, or sorry, off the spare battery, because it's not quite long enough. I want to get it to come out through the bottom, and then I'm going to put these on the side like that and sort of tidy it all up, tidy all the wiring up. I need to get some I think I got some in the shed, some L brackets so I can secure this down to the floor a bit better. Definitely getting there. Right, we're going to get on with cutting this and sanding it, and we will get back to you in a second once it's done. And we are all but done. There is the unit. We've sanded the top down. In case you were wondering, that was the angle grinder, but it's got like a sanding disc on it. It wasn't the actual cutting disc on it, before anyone thinks that. It was a sanding disc. But we sanded all this, made it all nice and flat. And there's a little ridge there. And it is lovely and flat. Sanded off all the edges. And now we are going to put this where it needs to live. Which is
right there.
Right there. Got my switch panel down here on the side, so I can access it whether I'm at the front or in the back. Nicely out of the way. We're going to wire it up now. The wires, as you can see, we've done the back, and there's just enough room at the bottom to get the wires through. We're going to run them up nicely and connect them up here, and then probably connect it to the side here so it's completely out of the way. But that's pretty much it. Like I said, we're going to get, I thought I had some L brackets, I cannot find them, so tomorrow we're going to pop out, get some L brackets and just connect them to the floor just to stop this from moving. I'm very pleased with this. Well, that's that all fitted. I have actually done the electrics, tidied them all up, made them all nice and neat, so not going to get caught. It is all on and working. Happy with that. Fits lovely, lovely new top. I even put the bottle opener on the side, so I thought it was going to be a lot better there than on the back. As you can see, I'm actually charging, so I'm about to run out of battery. And yeah, this needs to go up against the wall, probably about that much more, and there should be just about enough room between the two. Yeah, that's just about, yeah, it's gonna be perfect. It's gonna work out, ignore all the leads and stuff obviously, but I'm not actually losing any space in between, like there's enough room to get in and out, because this doesn't protrude any further than the seat, so I'm very happy with that. Got all my electrics in one place, and it's all now consolidated under my seat and out the way. Can't really see any of it, so it's lovely. And that fits in there lovely. So for the time being, that's where that lives. So I can get in there, get myself a nice cold can of beer, some chocolate. I've got chocolate in here, and it works. So I can have it all plugged in. Run that around there. All the electrics out the way. Happy days. Let's turn that off for now, we don't need it on. So, I'm actually really pleased. My little fridge fits in there. That's not how it's going to stay, that's just for now. Got a nice little sort of tabletop. As you can see, my daughter's using it for a drink, and my tools.
My keys.
Which is pretty cool. Need to get the rest of this lot done. Need to figure out this roof lining, so I'm not putting that horrible crap back on. It's been sat outside long enough, it's gone weird. So that needs to go in the bin, and I need to get something proper to put up here. Sort out all the wires. I don't even know what the hell that's for.
Put some wood up there.
There we go. Anyway, I'm going to get myself gone. Thank you very much for all the interaction, guys. Hopefully you like this video. I'm sorry it wasn't as informative as normal. I just thought I'd show you what I was doing, and I'm really pleased. Fair play. And I've lost absolutely no room to get in and out. So, really pleased with that. Hopefully the next video will be the steering hub. That should have been here 2 days ago. I'm literally waiting for that to arrive. I can put my new steering wheel in. So, hopefully that'll arrive. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. If not, subscribe, go hit that subscribe button and take it easy, guys.